beautiful friends, it's Huda here again from Made by the Chef, and today we are going to make soda bread. Yes, that wonderful Irish bread. Every nation's got one, every culture's got a type of bread, and the Irish have got soda bread. What is it? Why is it called soda bread? Because it's got bicarbonate of soda in it. No yeast, no need to knead, just easy, so simple. Now, I'm a little bit adventurous. I like to live life on the edge. In for a penny, in for a pound. That's what I always say. So do you know what? I'm going to attempt to make soda bread that is gluten-free and dairy-free. So let me tell you how easy this bread is. Flour. So I've got gluten-free brown bread flour that I actually got from Dove's Farm. Simple. I've put a teaspoon of salt in there. I've put a teaspoon of the bicarbonate of soda. And I've got my almond milk ready here. Got about 400 mils of that, 500 grams of the flour. I'm going to put my lemon juice, just one lemon, juice of one lemon. I'm going to put that in there. And that's going to kind of curdle up a little bit. That's fine. I'm going to leave that for about a minute. Set that aside. Let that crack on with whatever it's got to do. Here's the fruit. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick my hands in, squeeze it off. And I'm actually just going to throw it in the flour. So I've already got the salt and the bicarb in there, like I said. And now I'm just going to squeeze that off, pop the fruit in. So simple. Got a lovely aroma as well. Really nice. Got the dried fruit in there now. I'm going to mix that up with a spoon. Let's get that all mixed up. So I'm going to add a quick teaspoon of cinnamon as well. Just to get that in there. That's nice. There you go. All lovely. So it's going to give it a really nice aroma. And I think my milk's ready. So what you're looking for is to bring it into a ball. I'm actually going to just tip it out on the work surface, just so I can show you quickly. And just make sure you've got a little bit of extra flour to hand, just in case. It's a bit sticky, it's a bit wet. But what you don't want to do is actually overwork it. So you don't want to have to really knead it. You're not overworking it. All you're doing is just sticking it together, bringing it together like a ball, and you're going to pop that on your baking sheet, and that's going to go straight in the oven. You don't even need to prove it. It's going to go straight in the oven at 200 degrees centigrade, nice and hot, and let it bake for about half an hour. Have it. There's the soda bread that I've brought into a bowl. There it is. I might just flatten it down just a little bit, just on the top. And if you want, you can even make a little crisscross across so that it opens up really beautifully. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. There it is with the cross. Okay, my gorgeous friends, this is it. The bread is out of the oven, already cooked. Let's take a look. Look at that. I don't think that's too bad. Gluten-free, dairy-free. Well, let's cut into it. Let's not speak too soon. Let's have a little look. Oh my goodness. Okay, oh, that looks fantastic. Oh my God, actually, I think I impressed myself. This is amazing. So, still a bit gooey. Maybe could do with a little bit more cooking. I think it's all right. I've been cooking it about 45 minutes, but, got a lovely aroma. You can get that Earl Grey and the fruit. Look, oh my gosh. That looks good. That's fantastic. Got to have a taste. Really like to put a bit of butter on this. Really finish it off. Like that. Oh, not bad. That's really good. No sugar. No dairy. Gluten-free. Vegan friendly. What more could you ask for? Have a wicked day. Stay home with me, and I'll see you again soon.